Bull stock analysis and price predictions for tomorrow. Watch this 2-minute video till the end to see exactly whether this is a buy right now for me. I've spent $25,000 in education, 5 years in the markets, and documented 49,000 live trades and analysis videos on this channel. So here's what's working for me. With Webull, obviously we want to have a higher time frame freaking orientation of where we are. I like their app a lot. I like them a lot. It's just that their freaking price action here is just tough. It's tough, dude. Now, I can't say that it's slowly started to shift, and this can be start of something huge, like some big stuff going on here. But for me to really just jump in on the long side, it really must show me a little more greenery. Like I'm talking, I want to see the price start breaking above 752. So I'm in this situation right now where if the price gives me a double break beneath this low is a proper bearish like approach for me. But also on the other side, like think about it this way: whatever it breaks first, that's what we're headed, right? In my 2 cents, like it's obviously not financial advice. Do your own due diligence. The things you see here are atypical results. With bull, whether we break the top or the bottom pretty much determines my next direction. I mean, the likelihood that we keep going down with this big of a freaking bearish market is just through the roof, yeah, if you ask me. But I'm just saying my 2 cents. So currently, not too clear. Only time will tell. If you want real-time updates, alerts, join the Discord. But if you want to get my exact 3-step technical strategy that I've refined over 5 years, completely free. You know, the same one hundreds of traders are using right now. Link is in the description. It's free.